Now let's have a look at how to release funds to the manufacturer in case of split payments. In cases where the proposal featured a split payment, the first part, as the amount before the job starts, is released to the service provider automatically, and the second has to be requested. The second part of the amount will be in escrow until the job is completed, and needs to be either released by you or will be requested for release by the service provider. As the first part of the payment was already released, the status of the invoice in the payments section would be in escrow partially paid out, which means the remaining amount is due once the job is completed. In this case, you can either release the amount yourself or await the manufacturer to request the release of funds from you. Now, let's learn how to release funds to the manufacturer yourself. In the chat room with this manufacturer, select the same button as when you used to request proposal from the manufacturer. But in this case, select the Release Funds option. Once selected, a window will open with a selection of invoices that have funds available for release. This function only applies to the invoices for which the work has been completed and the first part has been already released. Invoice status and payments should be in escrow, partially paid out. And remember, you must be in the same room as the manufacturer, otherwise there will not be any available invoices. Press on Choose Invoice and select the right invoice from the drop-down menu. Once the desired invoice is selected, Sewport will be instructed to release the funds to the service provider.